Hello, hello, guys. We're back. Happy New Week. I'm happy. I don't know why, but it's okay. It's Valentine. Valentine just finished this yesterday, right? Valentine week. Anyways, what's popping, my people? We're back again in another trading week. This was the UG people I was studying about Gag, and I like, you know, I can't remember. I think this was the line. I was like, okay, yeah, TP, yeah. Oh dear, but I can't remember. I don't know why it was high up here, but as I was like within the week, I was like, it has already hit potential TP. Am I still interested in this pair? I'll say, maybe yes, maybe yes, maybe yes. It still looks ready to be taken. Hopefully, we expect a fill up of this candle this new week. Hopefully, we expect a fill up like this. But in a way, I'm kind of like skeptical about this trade, but I'm still interested because of the fact that in my head, it was a potential trade from last week, and in my head, that's kind of like played out. But I'm still interested in it anyways. What am I going to be waiting for? Same thing I was waiting for last week, but the only difference is last week, which was the candle, it just opened, went up, and I wasn't really active when all these pullbacks happened. So I'll just be waiting for, let me just set an alert already. Just a little pullback and bye bye. Simple. Nothing changes. Still same area. No much difference. Euro USD. This didn't really make the pullback. I'm still kind of interested. I don't want to counter trade this. If not, I would have just said, okay, I'll wait to just sell it for maybe this area, like how you have seen this accumulation here on 4 hours. Then you see check on the 2 hours. Yeah, I'll actually say I would love to just counter trade, but I'll let's see how other markets are looking like. GU, okay. The GU came to our AOI. GU came to our AOI. Who is vibrating my phone? Mm-hmm. GU came to our AOI, so for GU, okay. Same thing, nothing changes. I'll just see if it can still have that little pullback and I get my confirmation to buy. I'm still interested in it. USD this was like the trade of the week. Yep, it touched our AOI to perfection and just went down, and that was it. I'm not sure. I'm more interested in this anymore. For as it stands now, the trade is gone. GBP NZD. Okay, this counter trade, I've been waiting patiently for this. Think it looks like something that will likely happen. Obviously, I'm not the one that wants to predict that the market wants to change trend, but I just want a proper confirmation. I also want to see a break and retest. That's all. So I'll take this up. USD card. What was our bias? I think we are selling USD card, yeah, but it didn't actually get to the AOI. I missed AOI by a few pips, but whatever. I did not take this trade, so whatever. I look for counter positions, but no. Okay. GA. I'm kind of like similar to what I'm looking for on GN. I like this change of structure on the 2 hours. I just want to see some bullish presence, then a little pullback, then then confirmation, then we take the trade and voila, we good. I'm interested in this, something similar to GN, just a break above and pullback. It looks yummy. Yeah, okay. I remember this area. As you can see, weekly, that's expected the weekly area well. As you can see, resistance, use the as resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, and support. And right now, what are the odds? It's rejecting this area, so we can get another candle like this. Yeah, sure. And that is it. So we can just be aiming for something like this. And who knows, it can just happen that what happened here. Or perfect, if this is like the replica. I just did this. So what like happened here, we just expect that push up. Maybe it can just change structure from there, pull back, then make the proper move. So yeah, I like this as well. So let me just put you here for now. 80 USD. This one has just been going higher and 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 higher. Hmm. Do I want to counter trade? I don't know. But I'll see the next pair first. AD card. Daily 4 hours. Okay. I'll come back to this AD USD. Let me just put you here first. UJP. Ooh, damn. Wow. JPYs. Huh? Wow, wow, wow. It's all we're looking for like 2 weeks ago. Market didn't respect this and it went up and now it has perfect left head, right shoulder, which is this, as you can see, left head, right shoulder, break, retest, and continuation. But I don't know. Does this look like something that happened? That we get a pullback this week and continuation? I can't say. I don't know. But I like this. So I'm taking you up. GG. Wow. Just wow. We're looking for this pair. We didn't take this trade some weeks back. And wow. I don't think I like this one. Card GPY. Ah. Wow. ADCHF. Nope. NZD USD. What is the weekly looking like? Uh, okay, I'll come back to you. USDCHF. No. NZD card. What's the weekly looking like? Still very much bullish. Daily. Same thing, 4 hours. No, not interested. CHF Hmm. I'd love to, but I'll just leave this pair for this week. Woo. Wow. Just wow. Don't worry. I'll look at you some other time. UBPCHF. Nope. UAUD. Ooh. What is it like on the okay. Resistance, resistance. Mm. Mm-hmm. That is there's multiple area. So okay. The market has respected this area multiple times. That is there's resistance, resistance, resistance. What are the odds can be used as support this time? Let's see how it looks on the daily. Okay, 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 okay. Well, this will be like looking for another counter trading position again. Again. Hmm. Left head, right shoulder, 2 hours. Hmm. think I'll just stick with the gold started going back up again. 5,000 plus. Oh, okay. More trading gold this period. GBP card. Interesting. Hmm. 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 Wow. Nah, much interesting. You know. Uh, okay. Things already a lot. So EU, we're looking for something like the pullback is still a lot. So I don't think I'm interested in you anymore. GU, I think you are. I just need a little pullback and yeah, a little pullback. Yeah, if I can get a little pullback still on GU, then I'm very much interested. Okay, so European NZD break and retest is what I'm waiting for. GA break and retest. Think I like this more than GN. AD/USD counter trade, NZD/USD counter, UGPY. So which one looks like it's a tick? Yeah, the UGPY will be the last pair. NZD/USD. Want to look for counter sales, right? So at least sell to this line or this area. Let's see. Has they repeated a move like this? Has it done something like this? Something like this? It doesn't matter. For hours, it's so just to be like more on like the careful side, if I don't want to take this trade like almost immediately, I'll kind of like wait for like maybe a break below this area just for extra confirmation. Well, I like this actually. So AUD USD, AUD I think it's AUD. Let me look at silver if you are what's taking. I like it's engulfing, yeah. Engulfing and big engulfing again. To ours, kind of like a left head, right shoulder. We test of the neckline on our 30 minutes. Okay, I think for this pair, right? Boy. Mm-hmm. I know it has already made that retest. Had like a pin bar. 1 hour gave us engulfing. Let's see as it goes. I'll just for this one, I'll be waiting for like maybe lower time frame change of structure. If I'm really interested, maybe something like this, like this, like this, then I take myself. Yeah, something like that. I like it. It's not the best, but it's okay. The Euro GBP, in this order basically. I think that's what I'm gonna be looking at. Because Euro JPY is pullback, I'm waiting for them sell. That is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. That is a lot, but we move. So I'll stop sharing my screen now. So if anybody wants to share, I'm done. Oh boy.
Timmy, do
Fat
you want to
boy
share?
and Timmy. I'm done
Oh,
sharing my
fat boy.
screen.
We're waiting for fat boy. Thanks, Offset. Great one.
Nie
Nice.
ma
Every
problemu. Nie ma problemu.
fat boy, up to you. Fat boy, how good they go now?
Go they go, where go they
Where they
go.
run this? I don't understand though.
Hmm. Such is
Moving
life.
on its own.
So I'm just going to do quite last week recap, then moving on to this
That
week.
guy, yeah, say you know you're trying to talk me. Why you skip
Yeah.
it?
I say go they go where they go now. They do what you
I
need
know
to do.
you. I know
Oh, you
you.
know, yeah. Oh, I'll touch on it. Don't worry. We'll get there. We'll do last week recap. So this was for UC. Took trade here, almost hit TP, and then started going back. I started going back to what entry. Um, and if I can get another entry, if I can get another call it pullback or something, can take the trade again. If not, if it goes down to this thing, all the better. Um, Euro CHF, I think I shared this one last week or something. Starting got into TP here, had a lot of consolidation, finally got to TP here. I waited for a pullback again because I now have a new AOI. So starting we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens this week or whenever. Euro JPY took sales here. If it still comes back here again, I can still take another one. If not, we leave it to see what happens. For gold, I cleared that thing. I was selling gold, I think somewhere around here. Did lots of came down here, but this wasn't my TP. I think TP was still kind of down below. Um, but funny enough, it took me out here. Not that it took me out, rather. Trade hit SL here. However, on TradingView, it didn't hit SL, but broker is broker or whatever. But anyways, I was out of the trade here. So I'll still be waiting if it comes because I don't know this serious long accumulation. So not expecting. A move might be coming this week. My own is if I get a closure below here, I sell. Hmm. However, this is in I don't know which shade of blue I call this. This pairs I'm looking at, but it's not so the cleanest, at least in my mind, but it is what it is. USD card. I think this was when I don't know if this was last week or so, but I took this CTP, so I'm waiting if I can get price to come back here and get a closure again below. Continue with the sales. So for this week, GU is my top pair. They are selling GU. Yeah. I need a closure below my lot is here. Once I get my closure below here in 30 minutes, I will sell. For what is this? AUD, NCT, and an uptrend. Price has come back to my AOI. If and when I get the closure above, I buy. AUD card. Kind of similar uptrend. Very good. Well, to be technically, I was doing this earlier on today to replay and all this. This would have been where ideally I would have taken the trade. So let's just see what happens when market opens. If price can come down below again to this area and I get a closure again, I then take the pass. However, this would have been my entry, stop loss and everything. So we'll see how that goes. Yep. So
these three, we're still waiting to see what the outcome will be. But for this
Can I see
week,
that Euro JPY?
mm,
Okay. Here is that 182. Okay, no problem, no problem.
mm. So these are the pairs for this week. We'll see how it goes.
It's 8 pairs, and I thought I'd carried too many.
No, no, but I just explained you were
No,
not
I know,
listening
I
to
know, I
what I
know,
was
I
saying.
know.
So how many pairs do I have for this week?
That is like five, no? Abi? If I'm correct.
Yeah, consider.
And it's not like as if even if I carry 7 pairs, I'm trading the seven. Basically, still one pair we're going to still trade at the end of the day. Or maybe two, who knows? You never know. I guess we'll never know. Anyways, good one, good one. Timmy, anyone from you?
No, my boss, I just dey follow una. I deal with una 100. My oga dey. Respect.
Which
Make
one?
I give una love or
Okay,
rocket.
let me